Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to use Gemini 2.5 Pro free in your computer in a very simple way. Well, first you have to open any of your favorite browser, and then you just need to search for aistudio.google.com and then simply click enter. And after that, they will automatically redirect you to the Google AI Studio. And here you will get option. It's time to use Google AI Studio. So going to click on Google AI, going to click on these two and click continue. And after we're going to come over into Nano Bananas. If you click on it, and then you will going to find Gemini 2.5 Pro. Click on it, and now ready to chat, selected Gemini 2.5 Pro in your computer. Well, you can simply type or research any of your information that you need from Gemini 2.5 Pro, and it's completely free. So thank you so much. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.